From savory sushi to spicy Korean barbecue, we will take you on a culinary journey through some of the most delicious and popular dishes from Japan, China, Taiwan, and Korea. Whether you're a foodie looking for new flavors to try or simply curious about Asian cuisine, this video is for you. So sit back, relax, and get ready to tantalize your taste buds with the incredible tastes and flavors of Asia. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest content. Number 1. Sushi, Japan. Delight your taste buds with fresh fish and savory rice in every bite of this classic Japanese dish. Number 2. Ramen, Japan. Warm your belly and your soul with a steaming bowl of noodles and savory broth, a staple of Japanese cuisine. Number 3. Tempura, Japan. Crispy and delicious, this deep-fried seafood and vegetables will leave your taste buds wanting for more. Number 4. Udon, Japan. Thick, chewy noodles in a savory broth make for a hearty and satisfying Japanese meal. Number 5. Yakitori, Japan. Tender skewered chicken grilled to perfection and served with a variety of sauces is a must-try Japanese dish. Number 6. Okonomiyaki, Japan. This savory pancake is filled with cabbage, meat, and seafood, and topped with sauce and mayo, making for a delicious and satisfying meal. Number 7. Takoyaki, Japan. These small fried balls are filled with octopus and covered in savory sauce, making them a popular snack in Japan. Number 8. Shabu shabu, Japan. Cook thinly sliced meat and vegetables in a hot pot at your table and dip in a variety of sauces for a fun and interactive Japanese meal. Number 9. Sukiyaki, Japan. Sweet and savory, this hot pot dish is made with thinly sliced meat, tofu, and vegetables cooked in a delicious soy sauce broth. Number 10. Tonkatsu, Japan. Crispy breaded pork cutlets served with a tangy sauce is sure to satisfy your cravings for Japanese comfort food. Number 11. Katsukuri, Japan. A flavorful Japanese curry topped with a crispy breaded cutlet is a must-try dish for lovers of bold flavors. Number 12. Miso soup, Japan. This traditional Japanese soup made with miso paste, tofu, and seaweed is a warming and comforting staple of Japanese cuisine. Number 13. Bento, Japan. A packed lunch of rice, meat, or fish and vegetables, this convenient and tasty meal is a staple of Japanese culture. Number 14. Soba noodles, Japan. Thin buckwheat noodles served cold with dipping sauce or hot in a broth make for a refreshing and satisfying Japanese meal. Number 15. Onigiri, Japan. These rice bowls wrapped in seaweed and filled with fish or vegetables make for a convenient and delicious Japanese snack. Number 16. Gyoza, Japan. These pan-fried dumplings filled with meat and vegetables pack a flavorful punch and are a popular dish in Japan. Number 17. Shirashi sushi, Japan. A colorful bowl of sushi rice topped with an assortment of fish and vegetables. This dish is as pleasing to the eye as it is to the taste buds. Number 18. Donburi, Japan. A bowl of rice topped with meat, vegetables, and sauce. This hearty and filling Japanese dish is a popular lunch option. Number 19. Kaiseki, Japan. This multi-course Japanese meal showcases the best of Japanese cuisine, with each dish carefully crafted for a unique and memorable dining experience. Number 20. Matcha, Japan. This powdered green tea is used in traditional Japanese tea ceremonies and has a unique and refreshing flavor. Number 21. Bao, China. These steamed dumplings filled with pork and soup are delicious and comforting staple of Chinese cuisine. Number 22. Hot pot, China. Cook thinly sliced meat and vegetables in a communal pot of boiling soup and dip in a variety of sauces for a fun and interactive Chinese meal. Number 23. Kung Pao, chicken, China. Spicy and savory, this stir-fried chicken dish with peanuts and chili peppers is a classic of Sichuan cuisine. Number 24. Mabu tofu, China. This spicy Sichuan dish, made with tofu and minced pork, is a crowd pleaser for lovers of bold and flavorful food. Number 25. Dumplings, China. These small pieces of dough filled with meat or vegetables and often boiled or steamed are a staple of Chinese cuisine and come in a variety of flavors. Number 26. Chow mein, China. Stir-fried noodles with meat and vegetables make for a quick and satisfying Chinese meal. Number 27. Fried rice, China. This classic Chinese dish of stir-fried rice with vegetables, meat, and sometimes egg is a staple of Chinese takeout. Number 28. Baozi, China. These steamed buns filled with meat or vegetables make for a convenient and delicious Chinese snack or meal. Number 29. Congee, China. This rice porridge, often served with meat or vegetables, is comforting and filling staple of Chinese cuisine. Number 30. Peking duck, China. This succulent roasted duck dish, served with pancakes and hoisin sauce, is a must-try for lovers of Chinese cuisine. Number 31. Spring rolls, China. Thin pastry filled with vegetables and meat, often fried, these Chinese appetizers are a crowd pleaser. Number 32. Dim sum, China. Bite-sized portions of Chinese cuisine served in steamer baskets, these small plates of dumplings, buns, and other delicacies are a must-try. Number 33. Fried wontons, China. These crunchy fried pockets filled with meat or vegetables are a popular Chinese snack or appetizer. Number 34. Taiwanese beef noodle soup, Taiwan. This spicy and savory noodle soup with tender beef is a hearty and satisfying meal that's popular in Taiwan. Number 35. Bubble tea, Taiwan. This sweet and refreshing tea-based drink with chewy tapioca pearls is a popular Taiwanese beverage enjoyed worldwide. Number 36. Stinky tofu, Taiwan. Uniquely Taiwanese delicacy, this fermented tofu dish has a pungent aroma and a distinctive flavor. Number 37. Oyster omelet, Taiwan. This savory Taiwanese dish made with eggs and oysters is a popular street food and a must-try for lovers of seafood. Number 38. Scallion pancakes, Taiwan. These crispy and savory pancakes, made with scallions and fried to perfection, are a popular Taiwanese snack. Number 39. Chow Long Xia, China. These spicy and flavorful crawfish, often served with beer, are a popular Chinese street food. Number 40. Korean barbecue, Korea. Cook your own marinated meat to perfection at your table with a variety of side dishes for a fun and tasty Korean meal. Number 41. Kimchi, Korea. This spicy and tangy fermented vegetable dish is a staple of Korean cuisine and comes in a variety of flavors. Number 42. Bibimbap, Korea. A colorful bowl of rice topped with vegetables, meat, and a fried egg. This Korean dish is a feast for the eyes and the taste buds. Number 43. Bulgogi, Korea. Thinly sliced marinated beef, grilled to perfection and often served with rice and vegetables, is a classic Korean dish. Number 44. Japchae, Korea. These sweet potato glass noodles stir-fried with vegetables and meat make for a delicious and satisfying Korean meal. Number 45. Tteokbokki, Korea. These chewy rice cakes in a spicy sauce are popular Korean street food and a must-try for lovers of bold flavors. Number 46. Galbi, Korea. Marinated and grilled beef, short ribs, often served with rice and vegetables, are a popular Korean barbecue dish. Number 47. Samgchi-tang, Korea. This nourishing soup made with chicken, ginseng, and other ingredients is a popular Korean comfort food. Number 48. Naengmyeon, Korea. These cold buckwheat noodles served in a tangy broth or with a spicy sauce are a refreshing Korean summer dish. Number 49. Sundubuchike, Korea. This spicy and savory tofu stew with meat and vegetables is a classic Korean dish and a must-try for lovers of bold flavors. Number 50. Hamul Pajeon, Korea. This Korean savory pancake filled with seafood and scallions is a popular appetizer or snack. Number 51. Kimbap, Korea. These Korean rice rolls filled with vegetables, meat, and sometimes egg make for a convenient and delicious snack or meal. Number 52. Jjajangmyeon, Korea. This Korean noodle dish with a black bean sauce and vegetables is a popular comfort food and a must-try for lovers of bold flavors. Number 53. Mandu, Korea. These Korean dumplings filled with meat or vegetables are a popular snack and a must-try for lovers of Korean cuisine. Number 54. Dak Galbi, Korea. This spicy stir-fried chicken dish with vegetables is a popular Korean meal, often served with rice and other side dishes. Number 55. Baeksuk, Korea. This nourishing Korean chicken soup is made with whole chicken and various herbs and vegetables. Number 56. Jjimdak, Korea. This Korean braised chicken dish with vegetables and sweet and savory sauce is a crowd pleaser. Number 57. Haejangkook, Korea. This Korean hangover soup made with beef broth and various ingredients is a must-try for those who love bold flavors and hearty soups. Number 58. Daejeon, Korea. This Korean savory pancake filled with scallions and sometimes seafood or meat is a popular appetizer or snack. Number 59. Dakkanjang, Korea. These crispy and spicy Korean fried chicken bites are a popular snack or meal, often served with beer. Number 60. Ujingyo Bukum, Korea. This Korean spicy stir-fried squid dish with vegetables is a must-try for lovers of seafood and bold flavors. And that's a wrap on our Asian cuisine journey. From the delicate flavors of sushi to the bold and spicy dishes of Korea. We hope you've enjoyed this culinary adventure through some of the most delicious and popular dishes of Asia. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or new to Asian cuisine, We encourage you to try these dishes for yourself and experience the incredible tastes and flavors that this region has to offer. Thanks for watching, and be sure to let us know in the comments which dish you're most excited to try.